Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer your crypto goods in your bank account using Bybit application. So the thing is, first, for sure you're gonna be on the home page. So all what you need to do, which is the button navigation, go for assets, then you will go for the button withdraw, which is near the deposit button. On the withdraw, here you will just choose whether it is B2B, P2P trading or just crypto withdraw. So all what you need to do, which is crypto withdraw, I will just use test here to in order to see it. So guys, it's based and depends on your country for sure. Show the options that it is shown on me now. So you are choosing on-chain or just internal transfer. So here, guys, you will just have an internal transfer in order to get your goods in your bank account. And here, guys, all what you need to do here, which is finding your email, getting the amount, and just withdraw, and you will receive all the amounts of things and so on as it is internal transfer. So you need to just get the amount and so on and the process organization thing. All what you need to have, which is the internal transfer, and also the option of that it is withdraw menu. It is based on your country. I hope you like the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.